Hi friends, today we are going to make a game that is well known and is named as Fluffy Bird game using DeepSeek. And you know that I have no coding capability. You can make it very easily. So I am on the DeepSeek website. Let's write the prompt, make me Fluffy Bird game with a professional look. Let me correct the spelling and full functionality using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Give me all this in a single HTML file for simplicity. If it gives me this all in three files, that is HTML, CSS and Java, it's also okay, but I'm giving this that it should be a simple output. I'm not activating deep think or deep search because this is a very simple game. If you want to make complex games and very detailed professional games, you can activate this deep think accordingly. So let's hit enter, and in a while it will be starting to produce or give me the game coding. So while it's processing and it's giving all the details, let me tell you that AI, which is available now with us in the form of DeepSeek or ChatGPT, POE, or Grok, and many others. It is very helpful in our lives, and in whatever field we are working, if we are able to use these AI tools, our productivity will be enhanced. But if we are not using AI, then we will not be able to compete with our competitors. So it is necessary that you should be able to do it. So on this channel, I'll be producing the basically the capabilities of the AI in different fields, in diverse fields, basically in education, in in research, in other fields like in programmers, for game developers, for website developers, and even for welders, for carpenters, and so on. So if you want to make such videos on those capabilities of AI, please let me know. And it is very simple and very easy to do all this. So while we are waiting, here you can see that it's producing all the details, like it's producing the clouds, it's producing the ground details. And please imagine that if we were not able to write, codes, then how difficult it will be for us, and it would have been for us, that we should write such programming basically routines. And it's completed. Let's run it. And here, before this, let's see some details. So the features are the clean polished interface with animated shadows, the responsive design, the attractive color schemes, and birds are here with gravity effect, and randomly generated types are there, and basically the score is there, and so on. So let's run this. So it's started, and here I'm using the spacebar button, and the game is over. I hit the pipe. Now start it again, and it's very interesting. Very good, very good, great. So DeepSeek has produced me this game. So while you will be thinking that this is basically displayed by the DeepSeek directly, and we have run the HTML code, can we basically deploy this code on our website and make it a part of our website? Yes, we can. So we can copy this, and let's move to a website that is testwp.com, and it is also used in my previous videos as well. This is a free website where you can practice the WordPress, and it gives you a website for 24 hours. So it has given me this long hole .s3 testwp.com. This is subdomain from testwp. This is free. no registration is required, so we can work over here and our website will be visible for 24 hours. So let's move to its pages and we will create a new page. So this is our new page, add new page, and we will click it. Then let's create this new page for the Flappy Bird game, and below we can write something about the game, but we are directly pasting our HTML code. So we will search the HTML code and the code can be pasted over here. So the code is pasted, we will publish it. So it's published, and now we can view our page in the published form. So this is now the Fluffy Bird game on our website. Let's click it and we will be able to basically check it. Let's see. So you can basically use this game on your website. Similarly, you can basically test it on another website which is known as the onecompiler.com, and here you have all the three file entries, that is HTML, CSS and Java. But since we are having only the HTML file, we can paste it over here and we can run the code and the game is here and we can start it playing. So very interesting game, and you can basically use it by yourself, or it can be basically deployed on your website, and it is very interesting game. You can post it on your social media and Facebook pages that this game is available on your website, and thus users will be coming on your website and your traffic can be increased. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.